Here's how to buy Spotify Premium on an iPhone. Now, for us to get started, what you're gonna do is just head over here. And yeah, if you are gonna buy from your Spotify app, it's actually going to tell you that you cannot do it here. Now, one way for us to still be able to buy Spotify Premium here on an iPhone is by going through the Safari or going through a browser and then typing here Spotify.com. Now that you are seeing it, you should be able to see something like this, Get Premium. Now we're going to go ahead and click the Get Premium in there. And there you go. From this point forward, you should be able to buy a Spotify Premium. Now I want you to go ahead and choose, for example, which item you'd like to buy. So say for example, this subscription right here, I'm going to go ahead and click Get Premium Individual. And then what's gonna happen is that I can go ahead and scroll down and yep, basically choose the payment method from here. Say for example, credit or debit. I'm gonna choose that, and then I can just go ahead and enter the card number, expiry date, and then the security code. And if I were to scroll down here, there is the buy option. So yep, basically that's just how simple it is to buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone.